Today I'll be working on a 2014 GMC Acadia.
The truth.
As you can obviously see, our actual headlight's not working, so let's go ahead and get that fixed. Alright, so I went and picked up the new headlight. This is the part number for it right here, for the Wagner brand. Sorry if you hear any background noise. My neighbor is cutting their lawn the same time I'm making this video. And any other day I would have waited, but I need to get this job done, so gotta deal with it. Alright, now I'm going to be replacing my driver's side headlights. I'm going to turn my wheel all the way to the right. So instead of the wheel being straight, it's going to be kind of cocked like this, so I can get up into the wheel well. You'll see in just a second. Next, we're going to take out all these T20 bits right along in here. Now, right underneath the front bumper, there are two more Torx bits. See if I can see them. There's one right there, and the other one is right there. We're also gonna have to take those off. Now we got all the Torx bits out, we can go ahead and open this up. And when we look up inside here, I'll show you in just a second, but you'll be able to see the back of the headlight. Now you can see it right up in here, right where my finger's pointing. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew that, and then we'll be able to remove the old headlight. Now all I did was twist this cap counterclockwise and it pulled straight out. Now we're gonna get the bulb out of there. So I'm just gonna maneuver the bulb so it can come out, and the next thing I'm gonna be unplugging it off the back of the wiring connector. It's gonna show you while I'm doing it, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. And here's our old bulb out of the car. You can see that this tube right here is actually cracked right there. I don't know how well you can see it. But that's probably the cause of failure. See, it's a bit burnt up too. But let's go get the new one. Now, I know I typically do like a side-by-side with the old one and the new one, but with these HIDs, you don't want to put your fingers on the actual bulb itself, because the oil from your hand gets on there and it ruins the bulb. So you're going to want to handle it from the bottom side. So I'm actually going to open this box from the other side and handle it that way. Now it's quite obvious this one's in a lot better shape, so it's a good sign we're not going to get a bad one out of the box, but I have seen it before. But we're just first of all going to go ahead and we're going to plug it in the back here, and we're going to stick this guy in, secure him into place, and then I'll show you the next steps from there. Alright, it was a bit of a pain in the butt to get it to be secured back up in there, but you do just kind of get it in and you give it a little twist and it kind of secures itself in place. But now, we're going to be putting this guy back on, stick it in, going to give it a twist to the right. Alright, once all that's secure, we can go ahead and start putting all of our Torx bits back in our fender well here. Now for the moment of truth, if all of our hard work has actually paid off. And look at that. One headlight on, two headlights on. Perfect. Well, I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. If you like the music that was in the background of any of these videos, check out the artist's SoundCloud. I put the link in the description.